Are there real-life uses for beginner algebra? Have you ever wondered if beginner algebra is just a school subject, or if it really has practical uses in everyday life? Well, let's take a closer look at how this foundational math skill can help us tackle real-world problems. At its essence, algebra uses letters and symbols to representing unknown numbers. This allows us to write equations that describe relationships between different values. One of the most common uses of algebra is in budgeting and managing money. When you want to figure out how much you need to save each month to reach a financial goal, you set up an equation with variables that representing your changing expenses and savings. Another area where algebra comes in handy is planning and scheduling. When you organize your day or estimate how long tasks will take, you often find yourself solving for unknown times or quantities. This is a simple application of algebra that helps you stay on track. Shopping and cooking also benefit from algebraic thinking. For instance, when you adjust a recipe to serve more people or compare prices per unit, you are using proportional reasoning, which is rooted in algebra. This skill helps you make informed decisions while saving money and time. Traveling is another aspect of life where algebra plays a role. Calculating travel time, fuel costs, or distances often involves using formulas to solve for missing information. For example, if you know your speed and the distance to your destination, you can easily calculate how long it will take to get there. In construction and do-it-yourself projects, measuring materials and calculating areas are tasks that rely on algebraic reasoning. Whether you are building a shelf or laying down flooring, knowing how to use algebra helps ensure you have the right amount of materials. Understanding loans and credit is another practical application of beginner algebra. When you look at interest rates, monthly payments, and amortization schedules, algebra helps you make informed financial decisions. This knowledge can save you money in the long run. Even in technology and computer science, basic algebra is essential. It underpins programming logic and problem solving, making it a vital skill in our increasingly digital world. Learning beginner algebra not only strengthens your logical thinking and problem-solving skills, but also makes complex topics easier to handle. By breaking problems into understandable parts and solving for unknowns step by step, you gain confidence in tackling various challenges. So, the next time you think about beginner algebra, remember that it is not just a subject you learn in school. It is a practical tool that helps you navigate everyday life, from managing finances to planning your day.